Tired of your RV bathroom getting messy after a bumpy ride? No problem, we've got the perfect fix. Let's get it set up. First, wipe down the bathroom wall to make it clean. Skip the seams and uneven spots for the best results. Our shower corner bar adjusts easily to fit your space perfectly. Peel off the small tab to expose the adhesive. Stick one end in place. Adjust the length up to 13 inches, and then secure the other end. Press down on both ends to make sure everything sticks firmly. This helps reinforce the adhesive for a secure hold. Now just place your shower essentials on the bar and you're ready to hit the road again. No more rushing to tidy up your bathroom before you leave.